Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K custom hybrid crash, 14 and a quarter hi-hat top, and as you can tell, there's only crack damage on the top part of the cymbal. The bottom cymbal seems pretty fine from this angle. Yep. Anyways, so let's give this pair of hi-hats a little sound test. Alright, that don't sound too bad, but let's fix that crack out. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K custom hybrid hi-hats top, 14 and a quarter. And as you can tell, that crack in the cymbal is out of the cymbal, none there whatsoever. So let's give these little cymbals a sound test.